Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we are in Whitstable taking a look at number 35 Invicta Road. Now this is a 4 double bedroom detached property with a beautiful extension to the rear, which gives you that open plan kitchen and family space that you love to find in one of these modern style properties. Now coming straight through into the entrance hall here, you can see we've got a really impressive amount of space. You've got, of course, the access straight through into the lounge and through to the study, and we're going to start in the study. Now this is a really nice space here on the ground floor with, of course, that lovely big window there at the front and plenty of space in here for a work desk and for storage as well. So this is a really functional ground floor study space. Now coming through the double set of glass and wood panelled doors here, we come through into the lounge. Now it's so nice to have a separate living space within a property like this. Of course, it's nice to have the open planned kitchen and family room at the rear there in the extension, but it's nice to have a quiet space that you can shut away from the rest of the house and really relax in, and that's what this lounge is absolutely perfect for. You do, of course, have the windows there at the front again, letting all that natural light through, and the sliding doors at the rear there just letting us into the rear garden. So next up, we're going to come through and take a look at the dining room, and again, it's nice to have that dining room space. Of course, you do have the open plan living accommodation at the back, but again, this is a really useful and functional space, and if you did need a ground floor bedroom, then that would work perfectly for that. Now you do have just opposite that the downstairs cloakroom, and again, making that a downstairs bedroom if you needed it to be. Having that easy access through to the downstairs cloakroom is really handy. Now at the rear of the property, you can really see how well this space has been created. You've got this beautiful modern kitchen with all of the fitted appliances there, you can see, and it's just beautiful. It's opened up through into this living space. You've got the doors there leading us out onto the patio and into the rear garden that we'll take a look at a little bit later on in the tour. But just take a look, really good sized rear garden there, but just a lovely beautiful space to have. Now we've got the utility room here. You'd certainly expect to find one in a property of this size, and it's just so handy to have. You've got the access there out to the side as well. So next up, we're going to go upstairs and take a look at the bedrooms, and then what we'll do is we'll go out into the rear garden, take a look at that space and recap a few points on the property. So here we are upstairs, and we're going to start the tour by coming through into one of the property's 4 double bedrooms. Yes, we've got 4 double bedrooms up here, 2 with ensuite shower rooms as well. Now this double bedroom, plenty of space for the double bed, but plenty of space for storage as well. Got that lovely window again, letting all of that natural light through, and coming back out into the landing space here, which is a really nice open space. We'll come through and take a look at the main family bathroom. Now in here you can see that we've got the chrome-plated towel rail, got the bath there with the loo and the sink unit. Really nice sized family bathroom here, and coming back through, we'll go through and take a look at the main master bedroom within the property. Now this does come with the ensuite shower room again, with that lovely amount of space there. Got the window at the side and at the front there, and of course we do have the fitted wardrobe. So lovely double-sized master bedroom with the ensuite shower room and all of that fitted storage as well is absolutely fantastic. So having 4 double bedrooms up here and the prospect of a 5th bedroom downstairs if you needed one, of course you've got plenty of space within the property. What we're going to do next is just go through and take a look at another double bedroom up here, and then what we're going to do is go out into the rear garden, take a look at that space out there and just recap a few points on the property. But we'll just finish up out here by taking a look at another double bedroom, this one of course with the ensuite shower room. So here we are in the rear garden, and it is a fantastic size. You've got this beautiful pathway leading us up into this really fantastic little seating area here at the end, and the garden is just such a nice open and easy space to maintain. And looking back at the property now, you can see you've got that beautiful amount of space in that rear extension. Then of course you can see just the size of the property as well. So I really do hope that you've enjoyed taking a look at this property with us today. This is number 35 Invicta Road in Whitstable, a 4 double bedroom, 2 ensuite detached family property with that lovely expanse of ground floor living space and the garage and gated driveway. Don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.